Animals in Japanese. Deer, 鹿 Please repeat after me. 鹿 Good. Fox, キツネ Please repeat after me. キツネ Good. Bear, クマ Please repeat after me. クマ Good. Pig, 豚 Please repeat after me. 豚 Good. Cat, 猫 Please repeat after me. 猫 Good. Horse, 馬 Please repeat after me. 馬 Good. Rabbit, うさぎ Please repeat after me. うさぎ Good. Dog, 犬 Please repeat after me. 犬 Good. Tiger, トラ Please repeat after me. トラ Good. Hippopotamus, カバ Please repeat after me. カバ Good. Review. Deer, 鹿 Fox, キツネ Bear, クマ Pig, 豚 Cat, 猫 Horse, 馬 Rabbit, うさぎ Dog, 犬 Tiger, トラ Hippopotamus, カバ Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means fox in Japanese? A. 鹿 B. キツネ C. クマ The answer is B. キツネ Number 2. Which one means cat in Japanese? A. 猫 B. 馬 C. 犬 The answer is A. 猫 Number 3. Which one means tiger in Japanese? A. クマ B. 豚 C. トラ The answer is C. トラ Great! Today we've learned animals in Japanese. Fantastic progress. Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. 動画が面白かったらグッドボタン、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。See you next video! またね